What's up guys, it's Petty here and welcome to a brand new video. I'm going to show you the exact apps I use for my high winning stores, because I know a lot of you guys out there that are wondering about that when you are going to the apps store to select the apps you are to use on your website. Now, I want to make a quick announcement here because I freaking can't wait for this. I have decided now that my YouTube has to be taken more seriously. So from starting next week 21 of this year, from Monday, I'm going to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm going to record it beforehand. So right now, already have a video recorded, just need to edit it. About 3 simple ways you can make money during quarantine and COVID-19. And this video is going to be about the apps that I'm using for my stores, which I know a lot of you guys are wondering about. So I can't wait for Monday, man. It's going to be so dope. But I want to make this video very simple because I just want to show the apps that I use and don't make it harder for you guys. So let's jump into my screen down there and let's get to it. My setup a bit messy right now, but I actually like it that way. I got my lights up there. I got my whiteboard right there. So let's just get right into it. So it is actually fairly simple. I've taken a screenshot so you can't see my store. I don't want to get anything out there that's unnecessary. So it's pretty simple. This is kind of like what I use right now. So the number one thing I have is Oberlo. Yes, I still use AliExpress for a bunch of my stores because I got great supplier connections so I can get fast shipping on them. And again, it's simply a platform. AliExpress is simply a platform where a lot of suppliers have their products on. So there's also a lot of great suppliers out there. So for this specific store, I do still use AliExpress. So therefore I have Oberlo in here. Below that, I have AliExpress reviews. Now I also love to use Looks reviews. So this is simply just any review product you can find that you find great and then you have the money for or that you want to pay for. Get that because it's so essential that you have reviews on your product page. Below that, we have sales pop-up social proof. What I use for this is as it says. Well, imagine right now I'm on my store. As you're going in, scrolling down, seeing the product description, boop, up right here, you're going to get a sales notification, or the customer or the potential customer is going to see that. So there you can see that the store is active. They can see Michelle from Ohio just bought this product. That gives them social proof, and people just love that. So that's a great way to do it. You can also use it for right below the add to cart or right above the add to cart. It can say it's 9 products left in stock, stuff like that. But I simply just use it for the social proof. Again, I know people like to use different apps. I've just found this and I think it works pretty damn great. Below that, I have SMS bump marketing and automation. I simply use this for, it's another way of email marketing, just as you can see, through SMS. This is undervalued. This is so great because if you got their phone number, they are more likely to hop on to SMS than email, so you're more direct with them. That is why you see all these, if I can hold it like this, all these celebrities, honestly, asking all the ways for your number. They can text you, we can text it. That is simply a marketing strategy for them to sell them your merch, their products, services, whatever it might be. So it's essentially the same thing we do on our stores. So set this up as well as email marketing, but this right here is a perfect app. The last one I have here is something that's very funny that I don't see that many people use. Sticky Add to Cart Booster. This is so awesome. So when you're on like a computer screen and you scroll down, then here at the side there can be like a small add to cart button. The reason why I have that in there, and on the phone at the bottom they can see an add to cart all the way across. It looks so much better on the phone. But when you then scroll down on the product page, the customer, the potential customer, will be able to just add to cart at any moment in time. They don't have to scroll all the way up to the top of the page to then add to cart. So when it comes to dropshipping and promoting on Facebook and Instagram, it's a lot about impulse buying. So having an add to cart at their thumb all the way down to the bottom of the page, it's gonna make a lot of other people to add to cart, and that's gonna make you make extra sales. Again, it's all about upping the value. Now, there's another app and thing that I don't have on here, which is an upselling app. So what I love to have on my stores is upselling a product to the main product. Now, this specific store, I don't really have an upsell for it yet, or at least it runs perfect without one. I don't really think there's anything out there that fits perfect with it. It's also a very high ticket item I have, but it will be something I will be add later on. This is a newer store, so it will come. But having an upsell app is essential when you want to make your average order value a bit higher. So the last thing I'll kind of like want to say here in one clip before I close on is that you are going to add product you're gonna add apps as you go. You start with Oberlo, you have a form of review app, and you maybe have the sticky add to cart. That's about it. And then from there, you can add an upselling app, you can add a sales proof app. You can find apps that you really think is gonna work well with your store without doing too much, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? But adding to the value of the experience of the customer that's on your store, right? So you're gonna add on apps. But right now, if you're making your store, you don't really know what to add on besides Oberlo, maybe a review app or just Oberlo. This is what I would go with the no-brainer. You have Oberlo, a review app, a sales notification app, so that makes it gives comfort to the customer and social proof. You have an SMS, marketing to get very close to them, and they have a sticky add to cart. That right there is perfect for you. So guys, I just wanted to make this video because I feel like it's something that a lot of you guys, it's a small thing, but something that you can have a headache about thinking about what actually to add, because you want to do it right. So yeah, man, I can't wait for you guys to watch the next videos we're gonna post next week. It's gonna be so freaking dope. If you want to work one-on-one with me, only work with a few guys a month, go down below, send me a message on Instagram, hit me up. I'll get right back to you and we can potentially set something up. I'm extremely cheap because I want to get it's way more important for me that I get a good word of mouth out there with the industry we are in, with a lot of people kind of scamming others. Therefore, I have very low prices. That's just how I do it, and because I live by my dropshipping business solely. So I can't wait for you guys to watch the next videos. If you like this one and if it made you helpful, go down below, hit the like and subscribe button. Man, I can't talk. Besides that, be great, and I'll see you next time.